Kaya may nawala para dumating ang tama na nakatadhana. The right person will not usher you to question your self-worth. Dear, the waiting may takes time, but it will be worth it. Mas laging mainam kapag galing sa Panginoon. Kaya huwag ka muna sanang mag-commit dahil lang na malungkot ka pa, o kaya naman na-pressure ka lang sa iba. Your story is different and the path that you are taking is unique. Every twist and turn is connected to the exact moment that you've been praying for. It always pays to wait. It's better to sacrifice now and enjoy later than to enjoy now and sacrifice later. Your heart is a real treasure, so protect it. Mas mabuti nang wala kesa naman mali. The right person is worth the wait and sacrifice. One day, we will look back and say, buti na lang naghintay ako para sa'yo. With love and prayers, Noel.